it's your Bakalena Get Dressed with the Girly! And guess what? Nasa labas po tayo ng bahay. Hello, Ella Fans Club! So for today, kailangan ko magbihes dahil I'm going to my sister's birthday. So sobrang malakas yung ulan. So I need to wear something that I am comfortable with. And that is okay with this kind of weather. For today, I am aiming for a 4th of July theme outfit. So I have here a plain red top and polka dot navy shorts. So I bought this too in the Ukay-Ukay store. So let's try it on and let's see if parang magsa-celebrate pa tayo ng 4th of July. Okay, this is the whole fit. It's so very simple. So let's style it up. So for the footwear, so ChatGPT recommended this sandals, but then again, it's raining so hard. I don't think I can walk with this in this kind of weather. So I'm looking forward to this crop. I think I will wear the sandals. The crop doesn't look so good. Hindi ko talaga kayang makipagsabayan sa ulan. Sobrang ingay. Pero tatapusin natin ang video na ito. We're gonna finish this video kasi we started it up. So we're gonna finish it. Right? Right. Okay. So I'm gonna accessorize now. So ChatGPT said that I'm going to make or use some gold sugar egg, but I don't have a gold. I'm gonna use a fake gold. I'm gonna accessorize now. Here are the fake gold. Disclaimer: these are fake gold. I just bought them in bought them in some apps, especially TikTok shop. Okay. Then the watch. And then the earring. Bag, ChatGPT said to utilize or use a tan one, and I believe this is in a darker shade, and I think this will go nice with the outfit because this is so tan. Look at that. Right? I think I will use this because I'm wearing 4th of July inspired colors or theme, and right now I need to kailangan ko na i-gamitin to to represent the Philippines. Akalain mo yun. Kaya halaman pa kung gano'n. So yeah. I think this will look nice, right? Okay, wait for the full outfit. How to use this pair, pero hindi siya talaga babagay. Gagamitin ko lang to just to put yung ma-separate yung outfit. But then it will never show up and hindi ko naman siya itatak in. So, ayun. Parang nagla-live selling na ako dito. I don't think that I need to do a lot more with this outfit. Since it's raining so hard, masisira lang din naman yun. So, yeah. So, this is the final look. Wait. So, what do you think? Parang ako yung may birthday. Oh, may birthday ko na pala sa August. Baka naman. Okay, I think we are leveling up this style with the bag, with the accessories, with the belt, and the footwear. Okay. So, parang ako naman yung mag-birthday nito. Ako naman yung maganda doon. Uy! So, yun lang, guys. It's only me. Ay! Hindi ka kakanta. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you so much for watching my Get Dressed With Me and see you again